Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to create different dashboards in Jira to speed up your productivity. Ladies and gentlemen, creating a dashboard in Jira is pretty much like customizing your whole view so that you can see just what's important to you as an individual, all right? And you can create an unlimited amount of dashboards that you can use in different circumstances. So let's start. On the left hand side, you will see there is a more button, okay? And this essentially is our current dashboard, and this is all of our issues that we are seeing here. So let's click on more and you'll come down to dashboards. Here you will see a list of dashboards that you can use. Now the default dashboard is what we just were looking at, and essentially what we can do is click on create dashboard. Here you can give it a name. So let's just say my master bedroom. I don't know why that's even in there. And then we're going to give it a description of your choice, and we can choose the viewers. So let's say you want your organization to be able to view it, and editors, you want to make it private so that only you can edit. Let's click on save. What we can do now is, it's a very, very simple thing. You can see on the left hand side, you have your main section. On the right hand side, you can see all of the gadgets that you can add. Now, of course, you can filter out, you can search for specific things that you want to look for. But ultimately, all you need to do is click on add. All right, and now this has been added, and you can see here, this is activity streams. You can also see, let's say, for example, we got this time to first response. Let's click on add. Now you can see it's been added over here, but let's close this, and we want to take this and we want to move it to the right hand side. As you can see, the little hand appears. Let's click down and drag it over, and we're going to put it into the space over here. All right, now you can completely customize this as you need. You can also just say add gadget. You can add whatever it is that you'd like. Let's add that, and let's add the wallboard, spacer, gadget, and watch issues. Let's add that too. Now you can move these guys around any way you want to. You can also go and click on change layout, and you can see here there's 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, a left sidebar, right sidebar. And whichever one you prefer, of course, you can choose whatever it is that you'd like. If you hit the 3 dots over here, you can see that you can configure a bunch of different things within this dashboard. And quite simply, you're going to click on done. You have a new dashboard. It's called My Master Bedroom. And here, this dashboard over here, you can see on the left hand side in the sidebar, you can actually just choose which one you'd like to see. So let's say you need to see this one right now. You want to literally just view what you need to view, and you're going to go over to the left hand side, quickly change over to the next dashboard. You can see what is important right now. This is a great way, as I say, to customize your Jira layout so that it works for you as an individual.